Alright, we're checking out the beautiful 2019 Audi Q8. It's the all-new flagship SUV for the brand, and it sits atop the Q7. Now, anyone that's not looking for a third-row SUV, this is definitely the go-to vehicle. This is a nice 5-passenger, and direct competition, I would say that would be the X6. Now, the nice thing about this vehicle here, it's going to have a lot more elbow room, rear leg room, and the rear occupants are going to like the fact that the roof line is not as raked compared to the BMW, so you have a lot more to work with in terms of space and comfort. And I also think this Q8 is definitely a better looking automobile. So this is floret silver for the exterior color, and also is optioned out with these beautiful 22-inch alloy wheels that we're looking at. You can also get 3 different styles of LED headlamps, and the nicest ones are going to be the matrix LEDs. This vehicle is going to have all the latest driver aids and safety that Audi is known for, and we'll go over some of those features in a little bit. So here's the side profile of the automobile, and the fun fact, hopefully everybody knows this by now, that the Lamborghini Urus is the twin sister of this automobile. It has its own unique design, but it is the same chassis, and overall you can clearly see the resemblance. Let's go ahead and check out the back of the vehicle. And this has a really nice squared up design, very masculine looking, very unique, and very modern at the same time. You can tow up to over 7,500 pounds with this vehicle. It's got a 3-liter V6 dual scroll turbo, 335 horsepower, 370 foot-pounds of torque. 0 to 60 happens in 5.5 seconds, so this thing has no issues accelerating. There will be an SQ8 and an RSQ8 coming pretty soon, so whoever's really into performance, just keep holding on for about 6 to 8 more months, and you're going to have some nice surprises down the road. Let's go ahead and check out the interior of the vehicle. So Audi's new design language is going to carry over, just like the A8, the A7, and the A6. So you're going to have your dual screen MMI touch response system. Very nice flowing lines. Very clean design. I love what Audi's done with their interior language as well as the exterior. Got nice flowing shapes, high quality materials, impeccable build quality. Also going to have your Bang & Olufsen audio system, Audi's virtual cockpit. So your top screen here is going to be for all your infotainment needs, vehicle settings. On the bottom will be your HVAC controls for AC, seats, and everything else. And there's your selector for your transmission. Nice wide center console, very masculine, very nice. Got nice ambient lighting to contrast the interior, and you have a couple setups for your seat here. You can get a comfort seat, and you got your standard seats that we're looking at. On offer, you're gonna have a large panoramic roof. The vehicle's gonna have Audi side assist, keyless entry, collision mitigation, a whole bunch of driver's aids. So let's actually take a look at this Monroney to show you what this Premium Plus actually offers. So we're just going to go ahead and scan that really quick so you can read it. You can pause the video if need be. And there's your fuel economy. So 17 to 22. Not bad for such a powerful and heavy vehicle. So Audi is very efficient with their vehicles. Got large diameter brakes. Very safe automobile. In terms of space, definitely on the larger side compared to the X6 or Mercedes offerings. And you can clearly see here you have a lot of leg room. Now it's a 40-20-40 split for the rear bench. You have ambient lighting, and also the Audi rings to greet you on the floor. So overall, it's a very nice place to stay. Very accommodating. And anyone with an active lifestyle is definitely going to like the fact that this vehicle is so versatile. Once again, here are the wheels with a nice contrast paint finish. And overall, I think Audi's hit a home run with this vehicle. So once again, this was the Q8 that we were looking at. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we're going to have a lot more content to come. Alright, have a great day.